eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil ya wigo chiriye chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Chinsa na Ikomi waire vyo mwancho mura Getembe TV. Karibu sana ase Ekeonga ase nchira yo wenge tore nere balna basendari. Kristo de akabere wiso ni makorikora somo na boy manjira na nchenga trene Nyaboga kaba na ntogo ika omwairo. Mura iwensi America muske Donald Trump ni go atebre ensi America ni go yeso na nire gati yesegi ose gati yesegi ichigendrete gati enseri ya Israel na boy go enseri ya Iran asa tebre ni go akora nire ose America ni gira ya koranne ne chinsemo isato chengencho ase enseria ya Iran. Trump ni gatebre nigo eganeri enseyo ya Iran echikoreta obwamate obyo ese chikoiro getambukira gokora chiseyo anyataribo nigo barache kogenda usiniko barache kwenyora ase akongo asa matukare mutwe.
Short time ago, the U.S. military carried out massive precision strikes on the 3 key nuclear facilities in the Iranian regime: Fordow, Natanz, and Esfahan. Everybody heard those names for years as they built this horribly destructive enterprise. Our objective was the destruction of Iran's nuclear enrichment capacity and a stop to the nuclear threat posed by the world's #1 state sponsor of terror. Tonight, I can report to the world that the strikes were a spectacular military success. Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated. Iran, the bully of the Middle East, must now make peace. If they do not, future attacks will be far greater and a lot easier. For 40 years, Iran has been saying death to America, death to Israel. They have been killing our people, blowing off their arms, blowing off their legs with roadside bombs. That was their specialty. We lost over 1,000 people, and hundreds of thousands throughout the Middle East and around the world have died as a direct result of their hate. In particular, so many were killed by their general, Qasem Soleimani. I decided a long time ago that I would not let this happen. It will not continue. I want to thank and congratulate Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu. We worked as a team like perhaps no team has ever worked before. And we've gone a long way to erasing this horrible threat to Israel. I want to thank the Israeli military for the wonderful job they've done. And most importantly, I want to congratulate the great American patriots who flew those magnificent machines tonight, and all of the United States military on an operation the likes of which the world has not seen in many, many decades. Hopefully, we will no longer need their services in this capacity. I hope that's so. I also want to congratulate the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, General Dan Raisin-Kane, spectacular general, and all of the brilliant military minds involved in this attack. With all of that being said, this cannot continue. There will be either peace or there will be tragedy for Iran far greater than we have witnessed over the last 8 days.
Monogeri bwe bunge enene omuske Moses Masika wetangranigo apolira abantu kogendra gusabira ensi ya Kenya aseboigo aruro kubole gosche asabarai gotiga koramana bosyo bwabana gose asegesa kwokya angyo kokwana kero asasi mana bakristo bekase Catholic ya King of Cathedral imeye county ya Bungoma wetangranigo apolira abantu kogendra kwerike numero birosha ege kogera ngokoro remirimo.
Nchi yetu imekuwa na changamoto na Father amesema tuombee amani, kwa sababu amani haina alternative in life. Tuombee amani, nchi yetu iwe na amani, tuheshimiane. Hata wale viongozi wenye wanaingia upinzani tunawaambia wapunguze lugha chafu na lugha ya matusi. We can disagree but with respect. We can compete, but with respect. The fact that I'm competing with you does not make you a bad person. We can all be good people trying to do the same thing differently. Na hiyo ndio tunaomba viongozi wa kisiasa. Hao watu tunaguza wanaangalia vile tuna behave kama viongozi. Kama sisi tunatusianana hadharani maneno chafu, maneno ambayo haistahili kutamkwa na mtu mzima, we are teaching our children bad manners and we must change. So tuombee viongozi hata wale wanataka kuwa viongozi wa nchi. Leta sera zenu. Usiwe tu ukisimama unauliza wewe unataka kufanyia nini Kenya Kasongo? Wewe unataka kufanyia nini Kenya one term? Wewe unataka kufanyia nini Kenya Ruto must go? That is not a policy. The policy is what you want to do differently from whoever is there is doing. Ndio watu waseme kama wewe alifanya hii vizuri, huyu ataweza kufanya vizuri zaidi. Na waomba wananchi pia mjiandikishe katika mfumo wa SHA wa matibabu. Ulipoanza watu walikuwa wanasema maneno mengi sana. Mimi kama spika, kwa sababu ya mshahara yangu ninalipa kila mwezi shilingi 47,800. Huyu mbunge wenu analipa shilingi 32,000 kila mwezi. Lakini mimi na yeye tukiwa wagonjwa tuko na insurance ya bunge ambayo inatutibu. So hiyo pesa tunalipa yote kila mwezi ni ya kusaidia wewe mwananchi ambaye hauko kwa mshahara kubwa na bima ingine kama sisi.
Muraiwe kiama gya DCP umusikeri Rigathi Gachagua nigo amochira muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase okomoroka omukabira. Gachagua nigo ritukoria rero osiritukoria gatatu rero ase tare yaye imeye county ya Meru asangana bakristo bekanisa ya AIPCA gotoka riuri ebunge ya Buri ase boigo aruro kobolia gochia sabantu begesa kukia ba Meru gochamo eryo gosirana ase obochori buri moto bo mwaka 2027.
You know, according to the wisdom of William Ruto, yeye na Raila wakishikana, that is national cohesion and national unity. Rigathi Gachagua wakishikana na Matiang'i, na Kalonzo, na Wamalwa, na Malala, na Seki, na kila mtu, hiyo ni ukabila. Anybody who is against him is a tribalist. According to William Ruto, national unity is to belong to his choir of praise and worship. Once you have a different view, inakuwa wewe ni mkabila. So watu wetu tuungane, tushikanishe nyumba yetu. And I am a very proud Marian. Yeah? The people of Meru in the last 2 days has redeemed our dignity as a people. Ile aibu William Ruto ametuweka, mumetusafisha. Ile ametuangaisha, the persecution of our people, the disrespect, the humiliation, the way the Meru people have conducted themselves in the last 2 days. My brothers and sisters, from the land of my mother, you have redeemed the dignity of our community, and I remain forever grateful and indebted to you as a people of Meru. Muendelee kuchunga heshima yetu.
Akero abarai anene mono kurwa Kenya kwanza bagendere gusingirira buna tibagoche gwanchira ensemiri kwamirire serikali gusupinzani koigendera kuigereria chibura buru anemono chingaki omuraibu kiama kire kya Wiper Muske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka atebire Jumatane yeiga chitarike 25 nigo barachikoro osinigo barachikora abasaibe kegorgia Gen-Z korobekana ase mechionsi miensi ya Kenya bunenchira ya moyo kunyora abasaibe bali babete bagusiria magimabo mutinyo gatanarimo omwakweta chitarike 25 chingaki bare kwamereria ogwetu wa finance bill.
Sisi tunataka mjue kwamba tuko pamoja nanyi, tutahakikisha nchi iko sawa, na Jumatano ijayo mimi nimetangaza itakuwa public holiday. Wangapi wanakubaliana itakuwa sikukuu hiyo? Na hii ni sikukuu ya kuwakumbuka vijana wetu ambao waliuawa, Gen-Z ambao waliuawa. Hebu Gen-Z hoye! Hebu fanya gwenze Gen-Z power, sio? Hawa vijana wameleta sifa Kenya duniani kote, kwa sababu wamesema hatutaki nyinyi viongozi ambao mnatuua, mnaiba mali yetu, hata mnaiba our future. Because kama hakuna kazi, hakuna mipangilio ya vile vijana watapata kazi, vile mapato yenu ya majani chai, mapato yenu ya kahawa, vile ambayo italeta na kuimarisha uchumi wa Kenya, hakuna mipangilio.
Na togo chagokorera muraiwe kiama kire Democratic Action Party DAPK Eugene Wamalwa nigo amotire muraiwe kiama kire ODM Muske Raila Odinga asoko bwatana ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza. Wamalwa nigo amotire Raila asoko genda gukwanera imirobiro eyurengete kore maria ense ya Kenya anemono omurobiro bwa adani we obwo kwagatiwa kwegetige chindege ya Jomo Kenyatta omocho Nairobi aseboigo atabire nigo bakagete buna Raila nigo arachigotenena nabasaibe kegoria Gen-Z korende nigo abeire kakobatiga kando.
Father Alois Bet aliwawa kinyama kabisa. Father John Maina, a colleague wa father wetu hapa, alipatikana pia amewawa kinyama kabisa. Mwezi unaisha hadi sasa serikali haituambii mapadri wetu waliwawa na nani na ni kwa nini. Ndio sababu tukiwa hapa tunataka tuambie serikali hii Na jana tumemwona mzee wetu Raila Odinga akiwa kwenye ile kamati ya baraza la mawaziri. Mimi nilifikiria Mheshimiwa Raila akiwa kule ataambia serikali ukweli, atetee vijana Gen Z waliouawa 2023 kwa maandamano ile ya Azimio. Hadi sasa hakuna askari ameshikwa. 2024 Gen Z wetu wameuawa wakifanya demonstration against finance bill 2024. Hadi sasa hakuna familia imekuwa compensated. I thought the Honorable Raila Odinga would be fighting for justice, for compensation for the young lives that were lost, for accountability. Hakuna askari hata moja ameshikwa. Badala bwana Raila atetee watoto wetu ambao bado wanawawa hadi sasa. Kijana Boniface Kariuki amewawa juzi on the streets of Nairobi. Na mimi nasikia badala ya kutetea Boniface Kariuki hajaongea hadi sasa. Anatetea mtu anaitwa Adani. Adani ambaye alikuwa amekuja through a corrupt deal kuchukua Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, kuchukua K-Truck. Yeye ndio hapo kwenye SHA. Tunasikia iko deal nyingine kule Kenya Ports Authority. Anataka kununua ile, kunyang'anya ile port yetu. Badala atetee hayo, bwana Raila anakuja kutetea Adani bwana. Ningekuwa Leonard Mambo Mbotani ningeuliza, je, huyu ngwana?
Chitageka Ikomi na 5 chia utokire igoro ya Chinsa Ikomi chia bono morogova. Mwanjo muri Getembe TV na radio twabwate kure Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi na boigo Chinsa 5 na ibera senchira yo wenga boikranu nibere na inye chubot kobwarero na haron ototo nyangiri tomra ne ritkure ankyo balna basenari kure studio kabira inchengatire Nyaboga na boyo guriso ni makori kura somona huyu manyiririo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyareka bogo kwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenya ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Silvercare ni nyagitari yekerero asumu chubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guche Kilgoris nigekurwa obugwenia asenchira yekerero asugutumia chimashin chekerero abwasibwa atabanyagitari bobwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbobwate inpatient gosechi ward nabo igo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochianka mbobwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashin chekerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chenu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoro iga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukulingoria nobuwenia bwa maiso gose optical department abwase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi betani abu mbobwate boigo ensemo ya maino gose dental section yebwate chimashin ichekerero yobwate boigo pharmacy gose duka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo onsi pi aliuraganirigwe gwetania onsi liguriryabo nelianse pi ngwanchira bale umoroberio osha gose bale bwate umoroberio osha naboigo nkurike bale umoroberio osha otarigwakanira kende gyonsi asamange ba kresimia se namba 0799747414 Silvercare Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono.
Umuguse igwa amaguriniga kiromoroka ase